Hello and welcome to the ninth Microsoft Visual Basic 2008 tutorial. We're going to quickly cover radio buttons and checkboxes, but while we're doing this we're also going to revisit if statements in more detail, and we're also going to look at a group box, which is a pretty nice feature to have. So we'll make a new project, we'll call it checkboxes and radio buttons. I'm not sure if I can have that plus there. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, so let's do this quickly. Right, so basically what a group box is, which we'll add that first. A group box is, it's in a name, it's a box which will group whatever's inside it. So let's say we make this bold on the font. This will go bold up here, but also say we add a label in, see that's bold as well. That's just quickly group boxes out the way. So we'll change the text to age, and then we'll add our radio buttons. So what a radio button basically is it allows the user to make a choice. Now with radio buttons, only one can be selected per group box or per form. So for the first age we'll put under 16, second we'll put over 16. So anyway, with a radio button, it allows you to gather some information from the user, if you understand that. That's the best way to put it. So with this, we're gonna be asking the user what the age is, and then we're gonna send a message box telling the user how old they are. It sounds a bit pointless, right? Really, but it's just a way to try and understand the concept, and I think it's quite simple, this method. So we'll double click the age, and this is where the if statement comes in. We're going to type if radio button 1 dot checked equals true, then, and you should know this, what if statement means and what the end if means. If you don't, watch the if statement tutorial, but this is pretty basic stuff here. So if radio button 1 dot checked equals true, then we're going to message box dot show you are under 16. And then there's a new feature, well, a new part to if statements, which we didn't really cover, which is an else if. So after this, we can add an else if, and this is what we want to do if there's another, oh sorry, I didn't mean to put a line there. If there's another choice made, so we can put else if radio button 2 dot checked equals true, then message box dot show you are over 16. Okay, so let's look over this. Basically, it's going to say if the radio button 1 is checked, then it's going to message you're under 16. But else, if the radio button 2 is checked, then it's going to message you're over 16. You only need one end if here. I'll separate this so it's more clear. And that's the if and else if statements. So if we play this, need to be quick here. Play this, under 16, you're under 16, over 16, you're over 16. Okay, that's done. Now with a checkbox, it's like a radio button, same sort of commands, but what you can do with a checkbox is you can select more than one. So let's checkbox. We'll have 3 checkboxes. We'll have it as movies. So we're going to be asking the user what the favourite movie is. The first one we'll have Harry Potter. Second one we'll have 2012. Third one we'll have the Simpsons movie. And 3 should do. So there we go, and then we'll change the text in here to favourite movies, and then we can double click this, erase this code, and it's this exact same concept, but you can take more than one. So we're gonna type if checkbox1.checked equals true, then message box.show you like Harry Potter nerd, and then we're gonna have another if statement down here. If checkbox2.checked equals true, then message box.show what the hell 2012 sucked. And then we'll have if checkbox3 dot checked equals true, then what have I done wrong here? Oh, whoops, it is message box dot show the Simpsons movie is a conspiracy, dude. Okay, so we'll go over this quickly. Just saying, if the checkbox1.checked is true, then it'll say like Harry Potter, because checkbox1 Harry Potter, and then it goes down 2 and 3, exact same thing. So let's test that out. We'll just do Harry Potter for the moment. We like Harry Potter nerd. Let's try the Simpsons movie and Harry Potter. Like Harry Potter nerd and the Simpsons movie conspiracy, dude. And if you try them all together, like Harry Potter nerd, what the hell 2012 sucked, and the Simpsons movie is conspiracy, dude. Okay, so that's basically how you'd use radio buttons and checkboxes. Because of the 10-minute limit on YouTube, I can't really make a longer video on it, but it's not really hard to understand. If you have any questions about it, please just leave a comment. If you would like to make a request, leave a comment. And if you have any suggestions about how the tutorials are created, then leave a comment too. So rate the video, please, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.